We praise and thank God no, dahil dumating ang araw, sabi nga nila ano ba yun? Sa hinaba-haba man daw ng posisyon sa Manila Cathedral din ng Panginoon.
He always makes sure na magagawan ng paraan para maayos. At yun nga, tulad nga nung lagi niyang sinasabi na kapag nagkakaroon ng problema, lagi siyang babalik doon sa reason kung bakit niya ako niligawan. Kasi ako yung gusto niyang makasama. Ako yung gusto niya.
Ito na. Ito na talaga yun, babe. Day 1 natin as Mr. and Mrs. Zabayan. Akin ka na. Sa'yo na ako. We waited for this day, wished for this day, and for days to come.
But up to now, I am still kilig with how you take care of me. 12 years, and you still open and hold the door for me.
Today is for you. Hope you like it. Thank you for everything. I love you. See you later. Monica. Tuwing kailangan mo tulong, hindi ka mawawala.
All the little seconds that we hold, every single breath we get to take, don't let them go to waste. Give it all your heart and soul, they'll be gone before you know. So treasure it like gold.
Thank you for all that you do and everything that you are. I love you and hope you always know that I'll never be too old to be your little Monica Kai. Love and forever.
I'll never forget my days as Daddy's Bunso, and I will treasure my memories of us forever. He will always be the first man I've ever loved. Sorry talaga.
Lahat yun, basta pagdating sa'yo, sa inyo, nandyan ako. Ito kayo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Monica, do you take I'll Jasper here present before you to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Ex-man? Wala nang bawian? Final answer? Years ago, niligawan ni Al si Monica. To fall in love is very easy, yes? But to stay in love for the past 12 years is something that is very special. And I know God has been there with you, walking along this past 12 years, carefully weaving your relationship.
You still appreciate me. You are willing to wait for hours just to make sure that I am safe. you want the best and everything for me. That's how selfless you are. We are going to be a team from now on.
Ikaw, Al Jasper, do you take Monica here present before you to be your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Lying going on? Promise? There one thing I would like you to have have this character. Yung sense of amazement. Sense of hope. Dahil pinakilala kayo ng Diyos 12 years ago, pero patuloy pa niya kayong ipapakilala sa bawat isa.
Thank you for loving me, for honoring my parents and my family. Thank you for making my dreams come true. Most of all, thank you for making me the most beautiful bride today. I love you.